Do you want to earn while playing games? NFT games are games that let you earn cryptocurrencies, which in turn you can convert to real-world money. GameFi is one of the hottest new trends to emerge from the crypto industry, combining DeFi and NFTs with blockchain-based online games. Unlike many traditional online games, which operate on a pay-to-win model and allow players to purchase upgrades in order to gain an advantage over others, GameFi introduces a play-to-earn model. GameFi takes finance into new territory where playing and creating in virtual world is a viable way to invest, earn, and contribute to popular culture. So, what is GameFi and how it works? Let's discover it out on this video. GameFi is a mix of game and DeFi or decentralized finance, a GameFi monetary sector, the place customers could make a revenue by taking part in video games. Part of this is gaming, however, its core finance is the most crucial factor for customers. This concept involves giving players financial incentive to play and progress through games. In some cases, this has allowed gamers to earn a full-time income by doing so. All objects in these types of games are expressed as NFTs, a digital token used to prove ownership of scarce intangible items. Think of things like plot of land, avatars, costumes, weapons, and gold bars. Once players find and allow these items through gameplay, many have the option to trade this with others in digital marketplaces for different NFTs or sell them in exchange for cryptocurrency. Depending on which game is played, users can increase their earning potential by dedicating time leveling up and improving their characters by creating monetized structures on their land that other gamers to use or by competing against others in tournaments. In order to take part in any display to earn games, users will need to do the following. First, create a cryptocurrency wallet to store their virtual cryptocurrencies and NFTs and make in-game transactions. Which wallet you need will depend on which blockchain the game was built on. Second, purchase starter items. All GameFi games are free to download. However, many require players to first purchase characters, native crypto tokens, decks of cards, or upgrade in order to begin. Third, pre-funded crypto wallet. You will need to pre-fund your crypto wallet with a particular cryptocurrency in order to purchase starter items and proceed. It's exciting to see how the blockchain has allowed a wide variety of games and gameplays to be launched and even enables users to earn tokens. There is a lot of anticipation as the space continues to grow and new games are being released. Play to earn crypto games are definitely a great way to inject the fun factor into your crypto earning experience. Okay guys, that's all from me. If you want to know more about cryptocurrency and NFTs, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos like this. See you guys on the next video. Bye-bye!